Are you a first-time PC builder looking to buy a computer that is customized to handle your specific needs? Worry not, because this video should help you identify what kind of hardware suits your needs best, and we'll highlight several PC builds spread across a wide spectrum of budgets, starting from a basic 30K build to a gaming PC build at 90K. With each build, we'll take a look at the different components and how they help in getting your work done and ensuring a better gaming experience. What on earth is an everyday machine? It's what can easily handle some of the most common tasks that one needs a computer to do. Right from reading articles by your favorite technology website, to working out your monthly budgets, to playing a few games at the end of the day to relax. We are recommending the AMD Ryzen 3 3200G for this build. It's a quad-core processor and has built-in Radeon Vega 8 graphics, which can handle casual video games such as Dota 2, League of Legends, and Valorant. You can pair it with an AMD A320 or B450 motherboard to make the most of it. Now, if you're someone who likes to multitask a little, then you need a bit more processing power. This is the kind of computer that can handle web browsers with tens of tabs open at the same time. You could even build a home theater PC or HD PC that is more than capable of playing 4K movies and even running transcoding tasks in the background. Featuring a little more power in both departments, the CPU and the GPU, this PC build is focused on the Ryzen 5 3500, which is a 6-core processor and is paired with a Radeon RX 570. You can do much more with the additional CPU cores, and the dedicated graphics card ensures that you can enjoy a lot more current gen video games. Like the previous build, you can pair it with an AMD A520, B450 or B550 motherboard. This one is for folks wanting to upgrade from casual gaming to a dedicated gaming machine. We are looking at a PC that can render AAA games with a visual fidelity that's bound to make you burst with joy. We are looking at a processor with multi-threading in this build. Multi-threading makes the Ryzen 5 3600 a lot more powerful than the 3500, and the RDNA 1 based Radeon RX 5500 XT doesn't hold back. If gaming is what you're primarily looking for, then this CPU and GPU combination is where you should start. You will be able to enjoy a lot more of the new AAA video games with fancy graphics on this build. Even with this build, we are going with an AMD A520, B450 or B550 motherboard so that you can get better graphics card with the money saved. You're here for more FPS, aren't you? Then you're looking to get the Radeon RX 5700 to quench your thirst for more frames. It's capable of 1440p gaming and a lot more. We suggest pairing it with the newer Ryzen 5 3600 XT for some additional CPU performance as well. This is the combination that you need if you're looking to get that competitive edge in multiplayer video games. The Radeon RX 5700 can easily be paired with a high refresh rate AMD FreeSync monitor to enjoy some of the smoothest gaming experience that you will ever have. To summarize, we've looked at 4 different CPU and GPU combinations across a wide price range, starting from the 30K everyday basic PC, which used an AMD Ryzen 3 3200G along with inbuilt AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics. And then there was the 50K all-rounder PC powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 3500 and Radeon RX 570 graphics card. This was followed by the 70K 1080p gaming PC that had the AMD Ryzen 5 3600 coupled with the AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT. And lastly, we had the 90K 1440p gaming build powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 3600 XT and Radeon RX 5700 graphics card. Did any of the builds catch your eye? Let us know in the comments. If not, make yourself heard and we'll bring out another video to give you exactly what you're looking for.